Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It is Ping here today. I am in Coron, Busuanga, which is in the Philippines, and today we are going to go on a full-on Wrecks and Reef exploration tour. So we're gonna go jump into shipwrecks, we're gonna go see coral reefs, and then we're gonna also stop off at a beautiful white sand island. I am so excited for today. This is just gonna be such a fun, such an exciting day ahead. I can't wait to show you guys.
So first station, the East Tangat Trek. Then the second station, maybe the Lusong Coral Garden or the Lusong Boat. It depends on the time. Then after that, we're going to Pass Island. Okay, so maybe Pass Island, second to the last or last destination. It depends on the time.
So the first stop of the day was the wreck known as the East Tangat Wreck. This wreck was back in the 1940s, World War II. It was actually quite deep to go in, but I tried my best to take as much footage as possible. After the East Tangat Wreck, we headed to another shipwreck. This one is called the Lusong Gunboat, and this one was a lot more shallow. Just jumping in, you would immediately just touch the gunboat already with all the coral. But this place was absolutely amazing. There weren't even that many people, and my tour guide actually got some amazing footage for me from inside the gunboat.
Pass Island. one of the best destinations today. So we're gonna take our lunch now.
Arrived to the next stop for the day. This is Pass Island. It's just a beautiful white sand beach. We're just gonna have lunch here and then it's gonna fly the drone. Alright, we are now going to leave Pass Island. This is such a beautiful island. We're gonna go to a coral garden now. And that's our final stop for the day, a coral garden. Final place we went to is a place known as the Lusong Coral Garden. This place is just a bunch of coral along the shore and it's known for being a place where the turtles come in, and we saw a sea turtle, which was so exciting. I mean, it's not every day you get to see a sea turtle in the wild, but it was just such a wonderful experience, and the coral was just beautiful throughout the entire swim. Alright guys, we have made it back to the hotel. That was an amazing island hopping tour, but of course we're not done for the day yet. We're gonna go climb to the very top of this mountain, which is right next to Coron town. So let's go. Finally made it to the top of Mountaintop. Yes, you can see that big cross behind me, but this view is amazing. You can see the entire town, and I'm just gonna fly the drone a little bit and just show you this view of Mountaintop. Yes, oh, it's incredible. the mountain. It was such a beautiful, scenic place just to see the entire town. It was just an absolutely amazing day. The first two shipwrecks were both World War II shipwrecks back in 1944. And especially the second one, the Lusong gunboat, was just so shallow. You could just go right into the shipwreck. And then Pass Island was also just beautiful, the white sand, the blue water, and then of course finally the coral reef, seeing the turtle, it was just absolutely amazing. And then finally ending the day off with just a hike up to Mountaintop. Yes, beautiful panoramic view of the entire city. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more food and travel videos coming up. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.